All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's journal recap. It's the 23rd of February, and let's just get into this recap. So I was bearish coming into the day because you can see here, like we ended up sweeping inside this 4-hour gap, uh, this bearish 4-hour gap, and then honestly, just from looking at the 4-hour, it was just a sweep inside of it. But what I could see on the hourly here was that what did we do? We sweep inside this premium 4-hour gap up here. We had an NWOG. That ES ended up not sweeping out yet, actually, but that was a good target to have. But as you can see here, not we don't have to always get it and ignore this. But essentially, coming to like London session, right from like 2 to 5, we ended up sweeping inside of the premium gap, and then we displaced lower, right? So my thought process was also, right, at 9:30, what is this, right? We had this was essentially relative equal lows and low resistance liquidity. So that was great. And then what happened here and what did I see? We had unfilled hourly below. So really good draw on liquidity. So I was bearish. What I really wanted to see was price sweep out this hourly intermediate high and then come towards these lows, right? So also hourly intermediate high, right up here from before, right until market opens, and yeah. So what happened? We ended up sweeping into the basically what we wanted was what happened, except we did open up this 5-minute condition right here. Um, that also ended up being our inversion because this had everything I wanted to see, like towards this sell side. So I had saw that we stuck into the hourly intermediate high, and we had a 5-minute highest time frame inversion. 5 p.m. comes, and then we end up like going below it. So yeah, and then we ended up being here. So we ended up sweeping inside the hourly gap, and I didn't want to take shorts anymore because we're inside of the hourly gap, but we did form another 5. So I wanted to see what we would do after that, right? I wanted to see, hey, what do we do? And then price honestly was really confusing for this one, for at least for me. But we ended up resweeping the hourly intermediate low right here by 10. So by this point, it was an hourly intermediate low. And then we essentially just continued off up from here. Um, if you took the 5-minute condition, I still feel like it was valid, but very low probability because, yeah, we had targets down here, but we were also inside of this premium and discounted hourly low or hourly gap below. So it was just low probability. I didn't want to take it. I think Blake took something like that, but we ended up opening this 5-minute again, and we displaced lower from there, and then we just kept going lower. So by this point, like, I don't know, I think I was just done. But I didn't really feel like trading in this like unpredictable market, especially when all my drawn liquidity was already taken out. And yeah, we could have gone lower, but I didn't want to take long I didn't want to take shorts in a bearish in a bullish hourly gap. So yeah, that was my reasoning. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to make any trades, but this would have banged, honestly. This first like minute continuation. I was low key gonna take this, but kind of look at this close, right? Where did we specifically close on this? And it's the highest time frame. This is the highest time frame version because the 2-minute don't have one, so obviously the 3 isn't gonna have one, right? We entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7 candles before it closed fully, so it would have probably banked. Just placed it up above here and gone for 101. Yeah, it would have banged, but I just didn't want to take it because it just wasn't. It wasn't good. It really wasn't good. Candle close wasn't. It was really strictly like the amount of candles it took to close, but that's really it. Um, yeah, that's it. All right, peace.